It was overwhelming.
Wonderful.
Before you even said it, it started getting warm.
Yeah.
At first, I was really skeptical. I was like, wait, what am I doing? But it actually worked.
It actually worked.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that was crazy, but like so great.
It was wonderful. I needed it.
What if I told you that in just one lesson, I can have you hypnotizing total strangers using a conversational and covert method that would allow you to quickly drop them into a deep trance, achieve hypnotic phenomena like eye lock and arm levitation, and send blissfully addictive feelings all throughout their bodies, and that you can do all of this just by reading off a script on your phone. And what if I also told you that it takes less than 10 minutes, works 90% of the time, even for a total beginner, and your subject will never even know they've been hypnotized? Well, you probably think I was completely full of so I'm going to prove it to you by teaching you my method absolutely free of charge, so you can see for yourself that this works like gangbusters. Hi, I'm Jay Cataldo from LearnHypnosisFast.com, creator of the 7-Day Quick Start course and the Mindvana method of erotic hypnosis. And I'm about to teach you this new method, which I call Mindvana Light. This is a simplified version of my Mindvana home study program that's going to teach you how to drop anyone into a hypnotic trance and make them feel absolutely incredible so they want to come back for more. I'll also be teaching you how to set up triggers for each step so you can drop them right back into trance instantly whenever you want and bring back the powerfully addictive feelings at a moment's notice. This method will prove to you that not only is hypnosis easy to pull off, but that you can get results quickly without needing hours upon hours of practice and study time. It also works flawlessly over webcam, so you can make it completely COVID safe if you're concerned about that. Now, I know you're wondering, if this method is so great, why am I giving it away for free? What is the catch? I actually have a very important reason for giving this away, and I'll explain why in your free video lesson. But before I send it over, I want to show you some clips.
Feel happy.
The pleasure one, I just started getting really hot. It's like I was about to start sweating.
The tingles, like when you're kind of nervous but in a good way, without not even knowing me. Your words make me feel those sensations. Yeah, I was surprised.
Feel tingles, that's right. All over your body.
It feels like such a different experience than like reality itself.
As soon as you talked about it going through my body and my back, I felt really warm.
It's like this really like quick wave just like goes through. Again, this is also interesting.
I did feel like a wave of like calmness. I woke up with kind of like a tension headache in the back of my head this morning, which I still feel it, but during that I didn't notice it at all.
I should feel. It's a beautiful thing, that's right. As those tears fall, the feelings just feel more wonderful and more amazing, that's right. It's blue. And now they just open easy. Cool. Feel happy. It makes you start to smile. It just feels so good, that's right.
I felt like a little tingle in my body, like my skin. Like how you would describe it, like goosebumps.
I could just hear your voice and my eyes were like this and I could not open at all. That wave is like, oh my god, it's what I try to have every day, you know, to try get my energy higher and higher.
Yes.
Wow, I'm so happy. Like I feel so relaxed now. I feel like my day just it's another day.
This is good stuff.
Thank you so much, Jay. Honestly, I think it was something incredible. You're very good. You're incredibly good.
So go ahead and click that link in the description below, enter in your email, and I'll send over your lesson right away so you can start using the method before the day's over. I promise you, it's going to blow you away. In fact, just listen to what Vivian has to say about it.
This works better.
That's right. This works much, much better than everything else out there. So go click that link, and I will see you inside.